Sparkle & Co. I want it all bag. And this is a joke. It's not Sparkle & Co.'s fault at all. Sorry if you hear my son. He is playing at my feet. They should, I don't know. It's just, the mail system is out of control, and it just takes forever to get things to me. Forever. So, it's this giant pink bag. I'm so excited to open it. So I thought I would just go ahead and do it on camera. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I don't even know what to open first. Okay. Ooh, I knew these were, I have tried so hard to avoid spoilers. I've tried so hard. But, let's just see what the theme is first, I guess. By the way, in the last theme, last bag totally read the thing wrong. Anyway. Okay, so party like it's your birthday. Do you love your Sparkle subscription? We would love for you to share this with your friends. If your friends sign up for a subscription, have them leave my name. So that would be me, Stephanie Hargis, in the notes at checkout. And then you'll receive a credit for $18 and I will receive a credit for $18. So if you want to sign up, go ahead and feel free to use my name, Stephanie Hargis. And then you and I can both get a sweet discount. All right, so these are reusable silicone cupcake papers, I guess. Wrapper, what do you call them? I can't think of it. Anyway, I love them. I hate wasting these cupcake liners. I hate it. So I try and reuse them, but then you feel like you're gonna get other colors contaminated, so I tend to throw them away. But these you can just pop in the dishwasher or rinse out with alcohol. Holy buckets, this is so awesome. So I got 6. 3 light, 3 dark pinks. Okay, so there's that. Here's the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and open the bag. Ooh, my girls are gonna steal this. I already know. My children are going to steal my bag. They stole all my bags so far. Oh, it even has their name on it. This is gorgeous. Look at it. It's so fun. I don't know if I want them to steal it. I love this. Can you guys see that? So pretty. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's the bag. And then what do I open? What's in here? Let's open this. Open all the goodies. I think is a gift card. Holy buckets, that's amazing. And this box is so cute. I'm gonna have to keep this box. So it said Lux. I don't know if you guys got a gift card. I don't know how much it's for. So I think these are maybe the polishes. Oh, here's the sticker. Cue the confetti. There's no time like the present for a fun new Manny. So I put these actually on my camera stand because it's wood and it's ugly. So I'm going to do that right now. All right, let me take these out. Oh my goodness, there is like foils, confettis, all in this bag. I'm getting them all over my table. This must be the Lux polish. Can you go shut that off for him, please? Mm-hmm. All right. Too hot to candle. And then, what's this? The liquid? Oh no, I think it's leaked. Oh, boo-hoo. It has leaked. My brush cleaner bottle leaked. Well, this is the brush cleaner. It's nasty, disgusting now. Then let's open the gel polishes. And I love that they send swatches. Oh, and I got a gel. I don't know what this is actually. Let's look. This is a liquid, the gel liquid. I feel like I have just confetti everywhere. Oh, it's a thinner. Oh, that's nice. So, yeah. gel thinner. Don't have that yet. Oh my word, I'm obsessed with these colors of polish. Okay, so let's look. This one is Another Year Fabulous. So it is like a holographic pink. Can you guys see that? Holographic pink. So there's like a slight hollow to it. That's really pretty. Love that. Then this one is called Icing on the Cake. And it's a really pretty purple. And I have no idea if any of these are glows or thermals. I have no idea, honestly.
This one doesn't glow.
Doesn't glow? Okay. And then this one is called You're Invited, and it's a really pretty topper. So it's like a sparkle topper.
And then I put that on your nails?
Not yet. Okay, so those are the polishes. And then let's open the dips. Can you let your dog out, please? All right, and I've seen some sneak peeks of some of these. Alrighty, wow. All right, so this is the Too Hot to Candle. This is the Luxe polish. Then let's look at our dips. I want to say some of these are thermals, but I don't know which ones are which. Okay, just a minute, give me a second. All right, so we'll find, let's see if we can find an order here. And it's a thermal. This, Elisha, this is actually my first thermal dip powder. So I'm stoked, stoked. Bobby, you are so loud. This one is the I Want It All exclusive dip. This is Funfetti. It's okay. I'm honestly not sure if I'm gonna use it much, but maybe. I might be surprised. So it's basically just a clear dip. It's really full. A clear dip with little confetti pieces in it. They're hollow. So there's that. Yeah, don't really know what I'm gonna do with that one. To be honest, just being honest. All right, then the next one is this Birthday Nails one. It's really pretty, I really like it. So it's like a shimmery, pearlescent pink color. It's really pretty. I take the lid off. It's called Birthday Nails. I don't know if I said that. Wow, that's really shimmery in there. So that one's pretty. I like that one a lot. That one I would definitely get a lot of use out of. So this one, I think I heard that it was a sun changer, but I can't figure out if it is or not because it's not changing for me. That's okay. So this is Sugar Rush, and it's 156. So it's just a simple pink color. I'll let you know if it is a sun changer or not, UV changer, I guess. Then we've got, so this is really pretty. This is called Surprise Party. It is like a mint green with a shimmer, like an iridescent shimmer to it. And Surprise Party is a thermal, and I know it goes from, so it's like a darker mint, and then it kind of fades to almost a pale yellowy green color. So that's pretty. And the last one, and this is the full size powder, and this is And Manny Moore. So cute. Wowza, look at those glitters. So here's the swatch, which is really pretty. So it's got like iridescent flakes, and then on top it's got the colorful glitters. Can you see that? So that's really pretty. I'm excited about that one. And that's probably more of a topper as well. All right, so let's look and see what we got. So I got my bag here. Get it. So this is the I Want It All bag. So you get the you get the bag. You get the Luxe polish. This, by the way, if you get the I Want It All bag, you got this $25 gift card. Okay, then you get the cupcake liners. You get the brush cleaner, which leaked a little bit, not bad, not anything I'm gonna complain about. I'll know it's the brush cleaner. You know, you don't use brush cleaner that much anyway. You also get the gel polish thinner. You get the 3 polished gel polishes. You get the dip powders and the swatch sticks. So that's a lot for your money's worth. I really am super excited, especially since you get a $25 gift card. That's huge, in my opinion, huge. So I'm really excited. I'm really, really excited. So I guess that's it for this video. So I'll see you in a little bit.